Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm back with another 1/500 scale airliner review. Today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Lufthansa cargo Boeing 737-3S3F. The Herpa item number is 518666. This was a 2012 limited release. They only made about 500 of these. And it comes in the 1990s colors and was an exclusive for Alliance 500 and the Aviation Center Wings Alliance. The registration number is D-ABWS. Oops, sorry there. And it's powered by two CFM 56-3B2 engines. This is a yesterday series. It's a limited edition right there. A little different deal on the back of the box there. I actually put Alliance 500. Nice shot of them loading up the plane, or about to. The cargo door open. Yeah, unfortunately they didn't say if this was a numbered edition or not, but again, there are 500 of them. And there is the plane right there. Got that center door there. It's got the door there for the pilots. I like it because it's got those, you can see it's got the windshield wipers. It's got the big cargo door there. Pretty good engine detail. Like I said in another video, they all have pretty good engine detail. It's not like they're that difficult to make. There is the tail, registration, basically the same thing on that side. And there's the gray bottom. It's got the cargo doors on the bottom as well. Plastic gears. And on the tail and the tail and the stabilizers are actually metal on this, so that's a nice plus to it. But that is pretty much it. There's not much else to say about it, and if you want to take a better look at it, I guess pause your screen. But that'll conclude this video. Go ahead and comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright? Later.